Hello everybody, I'm back here today. Today I'm going to unbox this package. This is Olay soap, and it's used for personal cleaning, clean your body when you take a shower. Or you can use this to wash your face. It's one. It smells great, and this one is assistant beauty bars. They have assistant bars. You can see right here. It's more easy for you to see. And this is a ultra moisture shea butter. And you can see in the bottom right here. You have 16 beauty bars. It's 106 grams. That 3.75 ounces per each. And total net weight is 1.69 kilograms. That's 59.8 ounces. That's 3.7 pounds. And this you can see here some kind of nuts here. Let's see, what is that? Okay, let me jump this one. So if you want to read, just go ahead, because the word so small I cannot read it without my glasses. I need a glasses. And also they do have, this side is much more better. So that's a quick look here, so you can take a look at it and let me unbox it so you can see the inside. It's much faster for those people doesn't want just that don't want to stay too long here. This a tank as more moisture. It smells great. Okay. That's here how many it smells great. You want to smell? Here the box. This each look at this one. In front, on the side, and this side, and there's the blend, and there's the blend. That's how many I got. Okay, let me unbox one of them for you to see. Here. Let me open it. Yeah. The color is white. It smells great. And here, how does it look like? How is it look like here? And they can say it here. Net weight is 106 grams, 3.75 ounces. Here, and then there's some. I think is the language, probably Spanish and French, or no, something, I don't know. I can. I don't know why they say bar pen here. It's kind of, I don't understand. Probably if you know how what does that mean, why they put there, just explain to us in the comment section. Okay, here how it look like. Let me lay like this. Anyway, that's all. Okay, let me count how many parts. It's 16. I know it's was so 16, but let me count for you to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh, 15. Wait, did I count wrong? Let me see. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this one is 16. Most of the time I count fast, but when I slow it down, I make a mistake. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. It's completely white, and they have Olay word on here. Okay. Once again, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.